How do they work? I grouped those roles into three domains. First, we've got developers. Developers, hardware engineers, hardware designers, cloud infrastructure architects. Those person got very domain focused. If you are hardware designer, you're focused on designing hardware. If you are a security consultant, you are focused on the security type of aspect of your specific initiative. Those professionals typically got very, very deep knowledge. They are experts in their respective fields, and they've got low-level perspective, and they can guide you through every single detail of the solution, having that be a hardware, firmware, or software part. When you work with them, you need to respect their focus. Then we've got the solution architect. And the solution architect, this is the role that demands end-to-end focus. As a solution architect, you need to have wide knowledge, but high-level perspective. There is no way to have this domain expertise as those experts if you work as a solution architect, because that's just too much of data, too much of knowledge, too much of experience that you would have to gather. That's why as a solution architect, you need to have the end-to-end focus, wide knowledge, but high-level perspective. Business representatives are focused on outcomes over functionalities. They don't really care about the functionalities that we implement on all of those levels below. They expect outcomes, and their perspective is totally different than the technical perspective. They are focused on business. They are non-technical customer representatives. I think this is something that summarizes their focus best, that they really care about the outcomes, about providing business value to the end users, and you need to respect that, and you need to communicate with them appropriately, totally different than when you communicate with the, for instance, firmware developers.